So the next question is exercise 11.1, question number 8. A door of length 2 meter and breadth 1 meter is fitted in a wall. The length of the wall is 4.5 meter and the breadth is 3.6 meter. Figure is shown. Find the cost of whitewashing the wall if the rate of the whitewashing the wall is rupees 20 per meter square. So what are the given parameters? Given the door of length 2 meter and breadth 1 meter. So you have a wall and a door given, right? So what is the length of the door is equal to 2 meter. So this will be is equal to 2 meter. What is the breadth of the wall is equal to 1 meter. Okay, 1 meter is fitted in a wall. The length of the wall is also given. It is equal to 4.5 meter, right? And the breadth is also given. Okay, 3.6 meter. Okay, 3.6 meter. Now what you have to find out, find the cost of whitewashing the wall if the rate of whitewashing the wall is rupees 20 per meter square. So let us write the given parameters. So in the case of first let us consider in the case of wall, in any way you can take. So wall, what is the length of the wall? Length of the wall is equal to, so first let us consider wall. Length of wall is equal to 4.5 meter and the breadth is equal to, breadth of wall is equal to 3.6 meter. Now what will be the area of the wall? Is equal to, since it is rectangle, it is L into B, right, which is equal to 4.5 into 3.6. So this is decimal multiplication. So the easy method is remove the decimal and multiply in a regular manner. So what you will be getting, 6 5s are 30, 6 4s are 24, 25, 26, 27. 5 3s are 15, 4 3s are 12, 13, right? 0, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. 1620. Now, how many decimal points? After decimal, how many digits you have in the two numbers? You have 2 digits, right? So, from you have to shift 2 digits from right towards left, shift 2 digits. So your value will be is equal to 16.2. This is the normal mistake which most of the students do. Okay. So it's the value will be equal to 16.2 meter square. Now we have found out the area of the wall. Now we have to find out in the case of door, right? Door also we have to find out the area. So length of the door is equal to, what is the value? Length of the door is equal to 2 meter. Now, what is the breadth of the wall? Breadth of the wall is equal to 1 meter. This is L and B, right? So, here, what will be the area of the door? Area of the door is equal to, again it's the same formula, L into B, which is equal to 2 meter into 1 meter, which is equal to 2 meter square. Now, I have got the area of the wall and area of the door. So, what is the question? Cost of whitewashing the wall. So when you whitewash the wall, you have to exclude the door, right? So the area of the wall minus area of the door will give you the excluded area. So therefore, I can write that area to be whitewashed is equal to, whitewashed is equal to area of the wall minus area of the door, because we are not going to whitewash the door, right? So what is the area of the wall is equal to 16.2 meter square minus 2 meter square. So it is here in the case of decimal subtraction, you have to do it as such with the decimal point. So 16.2 minus 2. So you can put 0, 2, 4, 1. So it will be equivalent to 14.2 meter square. Okay. Now you have found out the area to be whitewashed. Now what is given clue in your question? Whitewashing the wall. If the rate of whitewashing the wall is rupees 20 per meter square. So I can write that the cost of whitewashing, cost for whitewashing 1 meter square area is equal to, for 1 meter square area, what is the rupees? It is rupees 20. Therefore, what will be the cost of what we have to whitewash? 14.2 14.2 meter square. Whitewashing 14.2 meter square area is equal to what will be the value? So 20 into 14.2 rupees, right? So again you can proceed the following way. So what will be the rough work? 14, remove the decimal. I am repeating it once again. So 0 you can leave it, multiply by 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 1 2 is 2. So 2, what will be the value? 2840. After decimal how many value is point, after decimal how many digit is there? You have 1 digit. So put here, okay, shift it 1 digit here. So the value will be 284 rupees.